Hello, my name is Bisuza, and this small cupcake or cake, we need a bigger one for my birthday. This is just for today, and thank you, Money Auntie, for giving me this. This is a really yummy cake.
And do you want to wish Money Auntie a very great happy birthday today?
Yes.
Can you say that?
But today is not my birthday because Corona has to go away.
Yes, but Money Auntie's birthday is today. That's why she sent you the cake.
So happy birthday, Money Auntie. So thank you for giving me this sweet yummy cake. And here is a panda on it or a bear.
I see.
And I have items here if in case my hairs need something. And this is the thing that I brought today. It goes like this.
Wow. Wow. Look, happy birthday, Kaidu. Money Auntie. Happy birthday, Money Auntie.
You try your third.
Music, with music.
Happy birthday to you, Money Auntie. Happy birthday to you, Money Auntie. Happy birthday to you, Money Auntie.
Clapping, clapping. Yay.
Happy birthday to you, Money Auntie.
Thank you so much for the
Thank
cake.
My name is Bisuza. And if you can't go outside and you're bored inside your house, I'll play music with my piano.
This is piano or guitar?
A guitar.
Okay.
And the cricket is like crick, so it don't matter. It can add to the song of beautiful music, yes?
Yes. Wow, how nice music.
I'll toast this little bit to make the song little bit different.
Oh, wow. Okay, now ready?
I guess I'll do this little bit. Twist it.
Okay.
Twist it.
Okay, a little bit twist in the sound. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Now cricket. Alright. I need to twist this as well.
Again.
Enough.
Enough. Okay. Here we go. Next music. Wow. How nice music. How did you learn to play this music? Ah. Okay. If you leave that hand and then play again. Yes, like this. Better, right? Now you can play one by one. One card, one by one. That's better. Thank you so much. And what would you like to say? Lots of your friends and then lots of brothers and sisters out there. What would you like to say? They are not going outside, staying in the home.
They're staying on the home, my brother and sister. And I'm recording a video. And today, as I'm saying, be quiet, Mom, to my mom.
Okay. What would you want to say? Stay home and then keep safe.
So now I'm in a Russell K.
Oh, really?
And playing this song
Guitar.
with my uncle's. No, with my what do you call?
Kaku.
Kaku's piano.
What do you call? Guitar.
Guitar. Sometimes I forget some items.
That's it for today?
Yes,
okay. Say everybody, thank you so much for watching. Bye
the
bye.
piano is saying bye also.
Oh, bye bye.
The guitar.
Bye bye.
Bye. My name is Bisuza and back to my channel. And Mom is separating the dress. Let's not care about that because next week I'm just gonna learn about that, how we wash dishes and those stuff that grown-ups do. So let's not care about that. Iceman Bye gave me this present. Long weekend. It was my birthday. So today he gave me this. He was here, and now he went back home. So let's see what is in this box, guys. So much plastic. Whoa, Barbie! Fascinating, yeah? Okay, well, these most items, let's see. What's that two-way open? There's the ziplock. Okay. Oh, it's the whole bag open. You know, guys, I'm really excited for this. Okay. Wow, a whole plastic. Let's get this paper out first. Get back the wallet! So big. We don't need this. So pretty, princess. Like a stage. But I don't need that anymore. Yes, I finally got it. Okay, this is now. Now take it out. Oh, plastic tape. That's you. Oh. Take the tape out from this beauty of nail. Capture the beauty of sleep. That's great. This pretty thing here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna test it out how it works, or I'm gonna. Maybe that's just for a design. I don't know. Tape again. We have to take tape out of the way. We are in the video mode. Another tape, how tape sticks and how tape doesn't need. We're not at that time yet. Oh, gotta come. Hello guys, my name is Bisuza. Today is my birthday. But one thing to say, the bed is full of lava. Not really, just the bed is full of balloon. So fun. So today is my birthday, so my dad blew all those balloons. I had this one a little, but it's a tiny one. I couldn't do bigger. So all of these balloons are 5. I'm 5 years now. Oh, my dad is kicking the balloons at me. So, one thing to say again. So, the guests are gonna come, and my dress is not ready yet. I have a new dress. It's a pink color, and I'm gonna wear it later, and you're gonna see the video about it. So, these are all my fun balloons, you see. Woohoo! I'm landing a balloon park. So fun. So, Mom is cooking some food, so that's why there's some noise coming in from the kitchen. And these balloons are so fun. One went out. So, not out. It's still there. So, hello and goodbye.
Says, what are you doing?
I'm discovering nature that got a cone shape just like my leg.
Oh, you are discovering nature? What did you find?
More air, fresh.
You are getting fresh air here?
Yes.
I see.
Also, too much hot.
Too much hot also? Do you like the nature? I see. Okay, here's the nature. Lots of plants here, and you love the nature here? I see. Wow, it's so much air, right? Oh. Be careful, be careful.
I want to pick some of these for my mom.
For your mom?
Yes.
You want to take these flowers from mom? We are not supposed to take out the flower.
No, only little bit.
A little bit only. Okay.
I didn't know there were lots of flowers
You didn't know about that?
I didn't know.
Oh, but there are a lot of flower here. Yes. Yes, flower here. Awesome flowers here. You enjoy it?
Yes, I'm gonna pick some of these.
Yeah, let's not pick. It's not allowed to pick some flowers here.
I forgot that.
Yes.
But
Thank you.
then I paint this myself. This is not something bad. This is something bad. But it's just pretend it's just drawing. So this is a big wind. It carries the house and the trees and also us, like my dad and mom. And the wind's blowing her leaves like that. Wind is blowing.
Oh, so this is the painting of kind of a tsunami.
Yes.
There is a flood going on in Nepal. So is it something like flood?
Yes, it's something like flood, but not water, because water is light, and this is brown, a brown wind like
Oh,
this.
this is the wind.
Ooh,
Oh,
like that. Clouds are blowing.
I see. So can you explain about your masterpiece once again?
Okay.
How did you think of drawing this type of masterpiece?
I mix some.
Let me have a closer look on this first, okay?
All right, here.
Just a moment. Let me have a closer look.
You can take a look.
Oh, nice.
And I mix some pink color and brown and purple and white and green and yellow. That's all.
That's all?
I mix all them together. Of course, pink.
And
Then
how long?
I mix all them together, and I made this big thing right here, and I let it dry. I drew this yesterday. It was my mom's life, so I drew this like this beautifully and took my these two painting brushes. One is big and one is fat.
I see.
And I got these two and paint these.
And how long did it take for you to draw all of these beautiful paintings?
Just a little bit time. It didn't took much time and just a little bit.
I see. Thank you so much for explaining about your masterpiece.
Welcome. Bye. यहाँ mini toys खेल्छु. Mini toys यस्तो गर्ने. Hello, hi. त्यस्तो अनि म यहाँ खेल्दैछु अहिले.
अनि खेलेर के गर्ने? कहाँ जाने प्लान छ तिम्रो आज?
घुम्न.
कहाँ जाने घुम्न आज?
बाहिर कति जाने. फ्रेस पनि हुन्छ, मजा हुन्छ मलाई.
अनि जान मिल्छ अनि बाहिर ओपन भएर अनि?
ओपन भएको छ तर स्टिल सेम रुल छ. मास्क लाउने, ग्लोभ्स लाउने.
मास्क लाउने, ग्लोभ्स लाउने अनि सेफ भएर हिँड्ने? आई सी. अनि यो तिमीले के खेलेको यस्तो खालको थिङ्स, इन्ट्रेस्टिङ थिङ्स?
मिनी टोयज हो.
अनि यहाँ चाहिँ टोयजहरू कुन टोय छ तिम्रो? बताइदियो त सिस्टरलाई तिम्रो टोयज कुन छ?
मजा टोय छ. मजा हुन्छ हजुरलाई.
हो. Oh my god. मिनियन्स पनि रहेछ तिमीसँग. मिनियन्स पनि.
मिनियन्स कुन?
हो त्यो मिनियन्स छ नि, त्यो बिग आई वाला. यो क्या, यो बिग आई वाला. फेरि अर्को मिनियन्सको फ्रेन्ड कहाँ छ? हो. बाई बाई. बाई बाई. तिमीले के गरेको? ड्रइङ गर्यो. कति राम्रो ड्रइङ गरेको. थ्याङ्क यू सो मच. कति राम्रो ड्रइङ गरेको. ल ड्रइङ गरेर त म यो भिडियो खिचिदिन्छु.
पेन्सिलको उयोको माउथ हेर्नु न. यसको उयो हाल्ने. क्रेयन्सको हेर्नु न यसको माउथ.
हो र पेन्सिल हाल्ने हो. पेन्सिल होल्डर हो. वाउ नाइस. द्याट्स सो नाइस. ल ड्रइङ गर त. देखाइदे ड्रइङ गर त. यो सबै मङ्गदालाई अनि त्यसपछि दिदीहरूलाई सबैजना पठाइदिन्छु. ड्रइङ गरेर राम्रोसँग कस्तो गर्न आउँदो रहेछ हेरौँ छोरीले.
ल
कस्तो ड्रइङ गर्दैछन् भनेर हेर्नुहुन्छ होला. ओ कति राम्रो ड्राइङ गरेको छोरीले
गर्छु नि
कति राम्रो ड्राइङ गरिरहेछिन् ये
अनि यो पिक्चर
क्ल्याप 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 यो पनि तिमीले गरेको हो नि हैन वाउ हाउ नाइस इज दैट
फेस कति बेला गर्ने फेस
फेसमा त गर्नु पर्दैन होला इट्स ओके
किन
फेसमा नगरे नि हुन्छ नि फेसमा त व्हाइटै हुन्छ नि फेसमा लगाउने कलरै छैन तिमीमा
के हो जुन कलर लाउँ
जुन कलर लाए पनि हुन्छ होला तर त्यति राम्रो देखिँदैन होला नि त जुन कलर लायो भने
र पिंक ला पिंक
पिंक
पिंक केटीलाई ग्रीन केटालाई
लाउने विचार छ हुन्छ लाउनु त ल लगाऊ त कस्तो राम्रो ट्री बनाइछिन् एप्पल पनि बनाइछिन् सबै ग्रीन एप्पल बनाइछिन्
यो सँग बोल्या यो सँग भने पिंक सँग अनि पिंक सँग बोल्या अनि ग्रीन सँग बोल्या
त्यस्तो कुरा हो ए सबैको फ्रेन्ड पनि हो क्या हो ए हाउ नाइस
यो बाबा र छोरी घुम्न गएछ अनि मलाई आइ भनेछन्
हो र त्यस्तो कुरा हो बाबा छोरी घुम्न गएछन्
भन्न कस्तो छ क्या
तिमीले के गरेको त्यस्तो
योगा
गरेको ए योगा गर्दै अनि त्यसपछि पढ्दै गरेको ल अब के गर्ने नेक्स्ट व्हाट नेक्स्ट अब अरबिक पढ्ने ल
यो सब सक्ने
यो त आज गर्न पर्दैन नि त होमवर्क होइन यो
भने यो पेन्टिङ
त्यो पेन्टिङ गर्ने त्यो त भोलि पेन्टिङ गर्ने हो टिचरले होमवर्क दिएपछि मात्रै हो नेक्स्ट विक
ए बाबा
हजुर
यो हजुर यो गुराल कुन हो यहाँ यो लाइनमा हेर्नु त
ल हेर त कुन हो तिमी चिन्न त फर्स्ट लाइनमा गर्ल सेम कुन छ चिन्न त
यो
होइन नो नो यस सेकेन्ड वान
यस्तै भइछ नि कहाँ
गयो चेक गर त नो यस यु नो एभ्रिथिङ राइट
अनि यो
त्यो पनि हो नि
अनि यो बोई हेरौँ न कुन हो
चेक गर त ल कुन हो त्यही बोई हात हल्लाउँदै गरेको बोई कुन हो यस अनि नेक्स्टमा त्यो क्याट कुन हो चिन्न त विच क्याट इज सेम यस अनि नेक्स्टमा ऱ्याबिट कुन हो सेम ऱ्याबिट यस यु आर राइट यु नो एभ्रिथिङ राइट
अनि यो
गुड गर्ल
यो गर्ने अब यो
गर्ने ल Hey, who is this behind the scene?
Look!
Oh,
it's me, guys.
This is Bisuza.
So yeah, I'm in the shop today. So I'm just looking at these masks that we just played. Important mistake, so I'll just play with you later.
What important meeting you are in?
Some movie clothes for my daughters. I need to send her homework yet.
Really? What happened to the movie? Oh my god.
The movie is she found it, so I need to give the card.
I see. Oh, you're so busy.
No, not so. Oksana Didi, happy birthday to you. Coronavirus. Lemon cake खाना पाएन अनि हजुरको हाउसमा आउन पाएन भोलि आउँछु ल एउटा केक मेरो लागि राखिदिनु ल अनि म आएपछि थ्याङ्क यू सो मच अक्साना दिदी गुड बाई
गुड नाइट तिमी किन बिग हुनु खाली 2 मन्थ्स को हुनु नि म यसो गरेर हल्लाउँथे तिमीलाई 2 मन्थ्स कै भइराख्नु नि ल हुन्छ कि हुन्न कति राम्रो हेयर स्टाइल हो ओहो कुन स्टाइल हो कसले बनाइदिएको यस्तो स्टाइल तिमीलाई बाबा मनपर्छ कि मामा लोली 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 ल बाबा मनपर्छ कि मामा मनपर्छ
मामा
मामा
Today I went to that Korean to the